Opisyal nang nilagdaan ng isang initiative partnership na maglulunsad ng isang advanced tuberculosis screening technology para maabot ang geographically isolated at displaced areas o GIDA sa bansa. Naisakatuparan nito sa pakikipagtulungan at inisyatiba ng Embahada ng Japan, Department of Health, Stop TB Partnership at United Nations Office for Project Services. Ito ay kasunod ng datos na nananatili pa ring high burden ang bansa sa sakit na TB. Ang naturang screening technology na ito ay portable at convenient dalhin upang maabot ang GIDA kung saan 30 X-ray machines mula Japan ang nakatakdang ilunsad sa bansa.
Almost 700,000 for the people with TB, and we're only diagnosing 500,000 plus. So there are many undiagnosed. So these are the ones spreading TB. So with the technology we're going to get, the ultra portable, just like this handheld camera, you can bring it to the remote villages, and you don't need a radiologist because it has artificial intelligence. So with the diagnosis, we can start treatment.
Sinabi rin ni Herbosa na immediate ang paglabas ng resulta mula sa mga teknolohiyang ito. Ang ugnayang ito ng mga local at international organizations ay isang global effort upang mabawasan ang kaso ng TB sa kasalukuyang panahon. Lubos na mga ikinatuwa ito ng bawat panig na nagpahayag ng kanilang pasasalamat at galak sa kaganapan.
The burden of TB is high, and the Philippines is a very high country and has islands and has isolated areas. And it's not easy, you're right? So that's why, beyond the efforts of the Secretary of Health, support from different donors, from different partners, will always be welcome. And as long as it follows the line and direction that the government is having. So my first point was to say, it's an amazing opportunity and it's an amazing recognition of the leadership of you, Secretary of Health, Herbosa, and an amazing proof of Japan's vision in supporting a healthier world, okay?
We aim to support early detection and timely treatment, contributing to enhanced public health outcomes and improved well-being of our communities.
Samantala, ipinaliwanag naman ni Dr. Hubert Benedicto ng Lung Center of the Philippines ang kahalagahan ng bagong teknolohiyang ito.
Hindi po nadadiagnose early on yung mga pasyente or individual, lalo na yung sa GIDA areas, no, yung isolated and disadvantaged areas. Bakit? Kasi wala po silang access sa mga facility or sa technology para rapidly po siyang madadiagnose. Tandaan po natin kasi ang problema po ng TB, madalas ang presentation niya, ang symptoms niya non-specific, ubo lang na pangmatagalan. Maybe meron pong iba pa hong manifestation, pangangayayat, walang ganang kumain, walang sigla. Pero madali po kasi siyang i-dismiss na dahil po sa ibang kadahilanan or iba pong sakit. Pero pag meron ka pong ganitong technology, yung na-mention po kanina ni Ambassador, na meron po tayong X-ray po na computer-aided or AI-generated, mas madali pong ma-detect kasi kahit po dun sa isolated areas, makikita na may problema or diferensya po yung X-ray nyo.
Dagdag pang mensahe niya,
kung TB ang mahirap sa kanya, hindi po ganun ka-specific yung mararamdaman ng patient. 15% of the time, walang mararamdaman ng isang pasyente na detect lang sa X-ray. Yung pong chronic cough or pangmatagalang ubo na hindi nawawala sa loob ng 2 linggo, maaring maraming dahilan. Kaya pong sasabihin ko sa lahat, magpakonsulta. Mas madali pong makita ang TB, mas madali siyang magamot, mas madali kayong gumaling kung mas maagapan siya agad.
Princess Castro nag-uulat para sa Golden Nation Network.